In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Alicloud Drive on the Alibaba app. If you've ever opened the app and couldn't spot the cloud storage right away, don't worry. This walkthrough will guide you from the home screen to your files in a clear, simple flow. Start by opening the Alibaba app on your phone and signing into your account. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version so the menu names and icons match what you'll see here, and so everything loads smoothly. From the app's main screen, head to your account area, look for the section labeled My Alibaba or Account, typically found at the bottom right of the screen. Tapping this takes you to your account dashboard, which is where Alibaba groups a lot of its tools and services. On the account page, scroll down until you find a section that aggregates features. Depending on your version, it may be called More Services, All Tools, or My Services. The wording can vary slightly between regions and updates, and that's okay. The important part is that you open the area where all the extra tools live, because Alicloud Drive isn't always visible on the main dashboard. Inside that services area, you're looking for Alibaba Cloud, Alicloud, Aliyun, or a label like Cloud Storage or Cloud Drive. These are different names you may see for the same service family. The icon often looks like a cloud, which makes it easier to spot at a glance. Take a moment to scan the grid of services. Sometimes it's grouped near other account utilities or productivity tools. Once you see it, tap the Alicloud or Cloud Drive option. At this point, one of two things will happen. You might land on a built-in cloud page right inside the app, or you may be redirected to an Alibaba Cloud or Aliyun login screen. Both are normal experiences and depend on your app version and region. If you're prompted to sign in again, use the same Alibaba account you're already using. You may be asked to verify with email, phone number, or a one-time passcode. Make sure you have access to whichever method you choose so you can complete the verification without delays. After you're signed in, you'll be able to access your files, upload and download documents, and review your stored data. If you're new to the interface, look for clear buttons labeled Upload or Download and simple folder views to stay organized. That's it. By navigating through Account, opening More Services or All Tools, and selecting Alicloud or Alibaba Cloud, you'll reliably reach your cloud drive within the Alibaba app.